Russian roulette. So who wants to go first?
Ah, hell, why not? Let AirsoftAl go first.
That sounds like a good idea. You lived. I'll go next. Go if you can. I don't like my odds.
Nobody's shot each other yet.
We lived!
Yes.
Now
Let's have another round.
No.
No.
Oh, hell.
What, 2?
Yeah.
2 bullets.
One from across each other.
Yeah. Because right next to each other doesn't make no sense. Hey, does this thing have audio?
Uh-huh.
You lived.
I bet half the people don't even know who the hell I am.
No,
Oh, fuck. I'm dead.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you died.
For anybody that's listening, if you seen Alex's last video, I was
AirsoftAl. Damn it.
Okay. AirsoftAl Yankovic.
Fuck you.
I'm the person that did the commentary with him.
Yeah, your name's right there on your personal HUD, which I'm going to make Satanist and Redneck.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm even going to put the rebel flag there for you.
3
Good.
shells.
Oh.
Me and you.
God damn it.
I died.
Yeah.
You
You're
cheated, though. You looked.
It doesn't.
I died!
It doesn't matter.
What's what?
Oh shit.
You broke.
What the hell? What did you do? Switch it?
I didn't do shit.
Hold on. $20 says...
No, it has nothing to do with that. The CO2 tank has nothing to do with the
No,
trigger mechanism.
This is it right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've never took my gun apart. Because it says not to. Yet they give you the shit to take it apart with.
Like for real.
Yeah,
What
you're
the hell
good.
was that? Well,
We customize our guns, bitch.
put these shells in there for me, Alex.
You load them, right?
Nope.
God damn it, man. Load them up.
I'll load them in a minute.
Yeah, that's
Put
right.
them in there. My hands are cold.
Mine's not.
Neither
I got
am I.
mittens!
Neither am mine. I'm wearing frickin'
I know.
Turn it up.
fingerless.
What?
Wow.